Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Anzo's chrome switchback headlights on this 2015 Chevy 2500 HD. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the first thing that we need to do is unplug our negative battery terminal. Anytime you're working with anything electrical on your truck, you always want to make sure that you unplug that, and we've gone ahead and done that already. Alright, next we're going to take off our grill cover, and that's going to be these push pins that are along the top. And we're just going to use a panel popper, pop those out. Then once you get all those out, this will just come right off. You need to set that to the side. Next, there's going to be 4 10mm bolts along the top. We're going to remove those. Alright, now that we have our bolts out, the only thing that's holding in the grill is some retaining clips. So we just need to pull it out. Then you're going to lift it up over your bumper, and then you can just set that to the side. So next we need to pull back our inner fender well. And we're on our driver's side. And to do that, we have 4 T15 bolts that we need to take out. There's one here, 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 and down, I don't know if you can see this, over by the tire. Right here. So once you get all those out, we can pull this piece back. Alright, so this is going to be hard for you to see, but right in this area here, there's going to be a bolt that needs to be removed. It's going to be a black bolt, and it's going to be a 10mm, and that's going to be holding on our light. That's going to be the first one that we remove. And there's the bolt. Next, we need to remove the last 3 10mm bolts that are holding on our light. There's going to be 2 up top, 1 down below. You can just set this hardware to the side. We're going to reuse that. Now once those 3 are out, your headlight should pull free. So once you get that free, flip it to the back, push your plug in, pull it out, and then we can just remove this. So now we can take our new headlight and then plug it in to the back. Make sure you hear it clip into place. And then we can go ahead and set it back into place. You want to make sure you line up all of the holes. Once you get everything lined up, I'm going to loosely install all of our bolts first. And then we can tighten everything down. All right, now that we have all of our bolts loosely installed, we can go ahead and use our 10mm and tighten them all down. So now we're going to put our side bolt back in. Again, this might be a little difficult to see. All right, so now we can put our fender well back in and then put our bolts back in, and then we can tighten these down. And again, that's going to be our T15. And then go ahead and repeat those steps on the opposite side. Now we can reinstall the grill the same way we took it out. Make sure you go over your bumper. Line up all of your pins and clips. Push it into place. Make sure they all engage. All right, now we can reinstall our 4 10mm bolts in the top. And then we can go ahead and tighten them down. All right, now we can reinstall our cover. And put our push pins back through. All right, so now once you hook up your battery, you're going to want to test the lights to make sure that they're functioning properly. So go ahead and turn our lights on, test our high beams, test our turn signals, and test our hazards. Alright guys, that completes the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online. Thanks.